The reason we're going to talk about Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter is because these are the power players. In the field of social media, there's a lot of them. There's Snapchat. They were in the media. They're not a player yet. There's all kinds of them out there. I have not used them enough to train on them. These I have. These I trust, and these have been around a very long time. So we have Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. They're on that list in order of importance, not just arbitrarily. You'll notice it's not in alphabetical order. Instagram is the power. Facebook is next, believe it or not. Twitter is the next one. All of these programs are visual, they're mobile, they're conversational and shareable. This is why they're powerful. How many people in here like to learn things when you can see them? See how they work? Somebody shows it to you? How many people in here like to read the book? How-to book? Not too many. Okay. How many people like to listen to it on audio tape? Okay. This room is filled with people who fall into the visual category. That means if I show you how to do something on the line, you will learn it quicker because you'll see it, right? Well, all three of these are visual. What do I mean by mobile? Goes with you wherever you are. You can put it on your phone. Today, I'm actually going to show you how to use your phone to use these. The purpose of social media, top purpose for social media today is communication. It's also for sharing. Sharing between one another. Sharing from you to your friends. Sharing from you to people you don't know yet. And sharing to potential clients. It's about interaction. Interaction is not a one-way conversation. It's a two-way or three-way or six-way conversation. It's interacting with people, responding to what you read, responding to what you see, and sharing it with other people so they can interact as well. The more people you get involved, the better that is. Okay? It's about sharing all of this. You're sharing what? Information. You're sharing information. Let's say for me, I like to eat. That's one of the things I really like to do. So I am going to be more inclined to share a recipe that I tried or that just looks sensational on my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, because I want to tell people, man, this was the best thing I ever found. Love this food. So I'll do that. I'm a photographer. I'm going to share my photos. Pictures I took. I just shared one today of a squirrel on a wall eating a nut that I laid out for him, and I was able to zoom into his little bitty face. I'm thrilled. I'm a writer. I write books, and I help other people who write books format them for their personal publication so they can self-publish. Those are the things I'm really into, and I share those. I'm also into Toastmasters. I belong to 3 clubs, and I share what those clubs are doing with the other members and with everybody who happens to be following Toastmasters. So it's about sharing information that you like and that you are interested in. Each social account has a different way of doing that communication. Different. On Twitter, they use the @ sign and then somebody's name or tag or whatever they call themselves. That's how you get their attention. That's what's called a mention. You're mentioning them in your tweet. They instantly know you did that. In Facebook, it's a tag. You tag people. You tell people. You post something and then you tag people you want to actually physically see this, because Facebook still, to this day, will send a notification to the person you tagged that you tagged them in your post. Now, they were mentioned. They're going to go check that out, maybe. Okay? Now, some people won't because they're not familiar with what that is. They go, oh, I don't know what that is. I'm afraid of that, and I don't want to do that. So be aware that not everybody's going to respond to that. This is another form of communication. It's called a hashtag. The number symbol or pound symbol in front of a word is a hashtag. Hashtags can be 3, 5, 7 words all jammed together that mean absolutely nothing because it's not a real word in the dictionary. It could be somebody's name, it could be your brand, it could be anything. What you then do is want to tell people what your hashtag is so they'll follow that the next time you make a post. The more frequently you use the same hashtag, the more frequently the people who found your content interesting will save that hashtag and then see your other posts. It's kind of like an index card at a library. It's the numbering system. It's the identifier for posts on both Instagram, mainly Instagram, also in Facebook. Pinterest does not use hashtags. In fact, it really is non-useful at all in any of the other medias.